In today's video, we will go through Linux Foundation CKA exam practice questions based on real kubectl hands-on tasks. These are the types of CKA exam questions you are very likely to see in the actual exam. Let's get started and sharpen your Kubernetes skills. Question number 1. Create a pod with the image Nginx called Nginx and allow traffic on port 80. Correct answer, B. kubectl run nginx -image equals nginx -restart equals never -port equals 80. Explanation. The kubectl run command is commonly used in the CKA exam to quickly create a pod. The --restart equals never flag ensures that a pod is created instead of a deployment. The --port equals 80 option defines the container port, which is required for the Nginx container to accept traffic. Question number 2. Create a BusyBox pod that runs the command env and save the output to envpod.yaml. Correct answer, C. kubectl run BusyBox -image equals BusyBox -restart equals never -rm -it -env greater than envpod.yaml. Explanation. This command runs the env command inside a temporary BusyBox pod. The -rm option automatically deletes the pod after execution. The -it flags allow interactive execution, and the output is redirected to a file using greater than. Capturing command output is a common task in the CKA exam. Question number 3. List POD logs named front end and search for the pattern started and write it to a file /opt/error-logs. Correct answer, B. kubectl logs front end grep -i started greater than /opt/error-logs. Explanation. The kubectl logs command retrieves container logs, while grep filters the required keyword. The -i flag makes the search case insensitive. Using output redirection, greater than, saves the filtered logs to a file. Log analysis and troubleshooting are very important topics in the CKA exam. Question number 4. Create a pod that echoes "Hello World" and then exits. The pod should be deleted automatically. Correct answer, C. kubectl run BusyBox -image equals BusyBox -restart equals never -rm -bin/sh-c echo hello world. Explanation. This command creates a short-lived pod that prints a message and exits. The --rm flag ensures the pod is automatically deleted after completion. The --restart equals never option specifies pod behavior. One-time commands and temporary pods are frequently tested scenarios in the CKA exam. Question number 5. Create a pod named Redis using the Redis image and expose container port 6379. Correct answer, B. kubectl run Redis -image equals Redis -restart equals never -port equals 6379. Explanation. The kubectl run command is the fastest way to create a pod during the exam. The --port equals 6379 option defines the default Redis container port. The --restart equals never flag ensures a pod is created instead of a deployment, which is essential for meeting exam requirements. If you want to pass the Linux Foundation CKA exam on your first attempt, make sure to practice with real exam-style, fully solved, and up-to-date questions. Visit Pass for Future CKA exam questions page for full, detailed practice questions and boost your confidence for exam day.